Hi guys, this is going to be a bit of a rambling video, I'm afraid. We'll start off talking about my WPL-B1 rock crawler or military truck 4x4. I noticed when I looked at it just now, the rear suspension is broken. It's single leaf spring steel and that one is broken. That one looks like it's about to break. They're very simple. So I've been looking online. You can still get replacements parts for the WPL-B1. They're expensive in my terms, 20 or 30 pounds. It wouldn't be just the spring on its own, it'd be most of the suspension parts all in a pack. So it may not be a bad deal, but I just want the spring. Well, I want two, because there's no point in just replacing one and not replacing the other one. In fact, that one at the front doesn't look so good either. They look like they're identical, front and back. So 4-leaf springs, about, what's that, about 30 millimeters long? Oh, actually, I've got my micrometer here. They are 5 millimeters wide, or 4.94 I measured there, but let's measure it again. Yeah, they're about 5 millimeter width, thickness. That's coming up at 0.17. Now, let's just zero it to make sure. That's coming out 0.2. So 0.2 millimeters thick, 5 millimeters wide. So you could potentially look for clock springs, spring steel, which I've been doing on eBay and AliExpress, those sort of places. And potentially I can find clock springs about the right size. That'll probably do for my purposes anyway. I just want to get it running. I don't want perfection. And then I thought, well, what have I actually got in stock already? This is the remains of one of my favourite types of vehicles. Lots of visible gears in it. This one's a wind-up one. Put a key in there, but you can also wind it up backwards. And it will go. It's one of those ones that have lots of other gears that do other things. Get helicopters, fire engines, all sorts. And I actually gave them all away. I had quite a selection of them at one time, but I donated the whole lot to a charity shop. Anyway, the spring that's in that one, I did measure it just now. I can't get my thingy in there, but it's about 7 millimeters wide, that. So that's too wide. So if I strip that down just for the spring, it would be too wide to go in the gap. I found this one, which is just a kitchen clock, which I can't hear actually working. No, that doesn't appear to be working. So we could have a look inside of that one, see what size spring that's got. Oh, that might be one reason why it's not working. Where's that go? Oh, that goes under there to do something. Oh, and that bit's... All right, well, it looks like it's got a couple of bits loose in there anyway. Well, we won't worry about that. We might have a look in there and see how big the spring is in a minute. And the other thing that I've got, well, I've got other stuff as well, but this was the other one that caught my eye. Wind up. That's got a little lever that goes up and down, which will mean it will turn. And that one actually appears to work. Yeah. That's rather nice one, that. It's got no manufacturer's name on it. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll put it in the metal. Oh, I have to go and find that. It's gone right the way over there. Let's put it in this one just to keep it in sight. Probably should have put it on the floor, but it'll probably disappear off in the wrong direction, whatever happens. Yeah, it looks like it will go for a straight line and then it'll spin round and then it goes for a straight line. That's a little beauty, that is. So I won't be taking that one apart. Oh, there is a manufacturer's details. Oh, not really helpful. Looks like YONE, made in Japan. Made in Japan. That was the days when everything was made in Japan, before everything was made in China. That would have been 60s, maybe the 70s, everything was in Japan. And then China took over. Right, okay. So that'll do for that video. And I will take that clock thing apart and see what size spring it's got inside it. We'll give it a quick go on the floor, but you can guarantee whichever way it shoots off, it'll be the wrong way to film it. It'll go under the table or something. Okay, well, not very exciting. There we go. Yeah, that'll do. I've just had another quick look at it. It may just be that that bit needs lubricating, so it pops up out of the way. Yeah, I don't think it's flicking up out the way quickly enough. That'll do. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.